Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning text effect with gradients in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new page here. And going to the applications, sorry, just have to find, here is the apps, and I need the application called type gradient, and here I just typing the text what I would like to use, then going to the fonts and choose a font what I like. Now this art disco, maybe this is not good. I just need to find some stronger, yeah, like this Canva. That looks good on Canva. Sorry, these bangers looks good. Here we can change the alignment, but for this text is doesn't really important. So we can left, center, or right. And here we can change the line height, but actually with one line this doesn't really make any sense. So here we can change the gradient colors, we can add, and also we can remove. So that's also a nice thing. Here we can adding we can change the color. So I would like to have this red. The second has to be an orange. And the third one I would like to use a yellow. Yeah, I use some yellow. Fourth one I would like to use some green, and the last one I would like to use some blue. We can also play with these dots, and in this case the length of this transition or gradient will be changed, but there's maybe it's not that so visible here. If I just changing the direction to this, maybe this will be more visible. So I'm moving this, no, I'm moving this green to closer to the blue. You can see this much more green, and the transition to blue is very short. I'm just moving back a bit. Yeah. Same I can do it with the orange. I just move into the yellow. So the transition between the red and orange is much longer, but from the orange to yellow is much shorter if I'm moving back. As you can see, the orange is here, and the transition from red to orange and the orange to yellow is more or less the same distance. And as you can see before, I can play with these two dots, and actually 2 dots is equals with the dot in the most left and the most right. So also can changing even the direction from horizontal or vertical or any direction, and also can play with the length. So if I just moving to closer to each other, it's already just green to blue with a very short transitions. But now I need a bit like this. This blue is also to move to here, and now I just going down, add to design, and increasing the size a bit, maybe a bit more, position, middle, center, and I'm going to duplicate the page. So the page is duplicated, and if I click somewhere else, so just to let you show what is this. So now the type gradient is set it back to the original, but if I click on this text, my design is going to the type gradient, and I can change anything. Or if I just close this type gradient, I just have to click here to the edit, so that this one is this type gradient will be opened with the settings what we use. So now I just need to change the colors to white. So I'm just changing all the gradients to white. One more. Moving to the left, and this one also, this red has to be white. And update element. And now just click on the Canva and changing the background to white. So from white to black, sorry. And I have to go up to the elements, and here already used. So I just open the shapes and see all. Now will that use only the, no, I can use any actually. Start with the circle. The important thing, we have to change it to black. Just duplicate. Increasing the size like this. And changing to the star also has to be black. That's important. I just need a bit smaller ones to do this magic. Yeah, outside is not so nice. I just need one more here. Here also. Now going back to the circle is good. I don't know what I did this. Why not just not duplicate one of the existing one. Like this. One more to here. Nice. And actually we have to think a bit the opposite side. So the hidden ones we do this black, which one is with hide it with black, that will be the colorful one. So that this is why I try to use more and more and more objects to hiding more and more from the items. So just going back to the, I need to find some other elements. So maybe we can use also a heart. Has to be black also. Like a bit smaller here. Okay, just sorry. So just need to see what I did. And now this is a page 4 and page 5. I just need to download page 4 and page 5. Downloads, start with page 4. Download, uploads. I'm just uploading to here. Also download page number 5. Download. Here I'm just uploading it. Opening a new page. This one I already changing the color to like this gradient. And now first I need the text Canva, the color one. And just to fitting the whole Canva, removing the background, click on edit, shadow, glow. Adding the second one, increasing the size to the same, removing the background, and now it's not looks good due to the, when I adding the shadow, this glow shadow, the size was changed, but it's doing the same with this. As you can see, it's already done. So here is the final result. I think it looks good, but maybe the other one's a bit more nicer. As you can see, we can do this like one element is having this from more than one letter. Actually, this one might be not the nicest one with this, that was too big. Actually, it's a really cool effect. Even we can change the color if we, the thing is, when we doing these cuts with the elements, the difference between the two color has to be significant. Then when we using the background remover, the Canva can removing properly the background together with the shapes. This is why we important this cutting shape has to be the same color as the background. Then the Canva also thinks those elements are also part of the background, and this is why cutting it from the text. This is how we can do this kind of this element. That's really nice, I think, but for me this one was a bit more funnier look. So that's, but with this trick you can play around with any shapes, and we can cut anything if you want, even if you are not using those elements. If you are going to the frames, like I will also show it. So if I just remove those elements from here, might be doing even more funnier stuff. So going to blob, and in the blob, yeah, increasing the size a bit like this. An important thing has to be also same color as the background. Here is also has to be black, and looking for some. The good thing with this, those blob frames has lots of funny shapes already, and we can use them. This is also nice. Just needs to be black. So if I'm save again the page number 5, go into the page, not 6, 5, and uploading again. So I just need to duplicate this page and deleting the layer from the top, adding the new one, doing the same, increasing the size to fit the whole Canva, removing the background, edit, shadows, glow, and already have the same. As you can see, that's very easy to do this text effect with text manipulation. Even we can use these frames, have more funnier shapes like this one, or just these blobs. So that's so cool. Here is the final outcome. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comment if you like it or if you don't like it, or if you have any problems, issues with the Canva or any other AI tools. I try to answer it as soon as possible. So once again, thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.